Okay, 2.2 circles. The given distance is the radius and the center of a circle. The formula for a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h and k is the center and r is the radius. If it's 0, 0, you just don't put those. Okay. So I'm just going to fill it into that form, and this is nope, just kidding. This is hk, so it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and I'm literally just going to plug it in. X minus h is 1 squared plus y minus, that's a negative 2 squared equals r, the radius is 3 squared. So that's x minus 1 squared. If I just clean it up a little bit, that'd be y plus 2 squared, and then that's 9. Sorry about that line. I'm trying to move my, you can't see it, but there's like a little thing that has my play and pause, and I was trying to move it. So this one, the center is 0, 0, so it's just x squared plus y squared equals r squared, which will be x squared plus y squared equals 4. Okay, now we're going to work backwards. So we're going to find the vertex and the radius. So it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So h is 1, k is like opposite. So if that's a positive 2, it's going to be a negative 2. So negative 2, and then r squared equals 9. Well, if we solve for that, r is going to be 3. So it's going to be at the point 1 comma negative 2. So 1 negative 2 is here, and my radius is 3. So I just go out 3, 1, 2, 3, in every direction. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then that's a circle, sorry. And then this is the one that the center is at 0, 0, and r squared equals 4. So if r squared is 4, then r is 2. So 0, 0, and you go out 2 in every direction. Alrighty. Now this is going to be the hardest part, okay? So we've got general form, and we want to put it in the circle form with the HK form. I don't know what that's called. Look back, yeah, I'm sure it says it. So what we're going to do is we're going to complete this square twice. So we're going to say x squared plus 4x plus a blank. Then we're going to do it with the y's. Y squared minus 8y plus a blank. We're going to move the 44 over to the other side, just like we would if we were just completing the square once. And then you fill in the blank, you take half the middle term, and you square it. So it's kind of like you're completing the square here, then here. Okay, so just treat them separately. So pretend all you see is the blue. So half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. Then we're going to do it, and if you put a 4 here, you have to put a 4 in the blank on the other side. Then half of 8 is 4, squared is 16. So that goes in the green blanks. And then you go to this step. Okay, so we're going to do it just with the blue. So it's going to be x plus half of 4 is 2 squared, and then y minus whatever the sign is there, that you bring it down. So if that's a plus, that's a plus. If that's a minus, that's a minus. Half of 8 is 4. And then 44 plus 4 is 48 plus 16 is 64. And now you've got it in the HK form. So it's negative 2 comma 4. And my radius is, if r squared equals 64, then r is 8. Okay, so h is negative 2, so it's at negative 2, 4, and then 8. Okay, it just got harder again. So now it's not, well, yeah. let's notice that the x squared and the y squared has 2's in front of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide the whole thing by 2. And we're going to cheat. Go ahead and make that a 46, just so it'll work out a little bit more even, okay? So we're going to divide everything by 2 because we need our x squared and our y squared to not have a number in front of them. So it'll be x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y equals, what's that, 23? And now we're going to do the same thing we just did, but we're going to get our x's together. So x squared plus 2x plus a blank plus y squared minus 4y plus a blank equals 23 plus a blank plus a blank. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight that again because I feel like that was helpful. Okay, so completing the square, you take half of your middle term. Half of 2 is 1, squared is 1. And then half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. And then you fill in the 1 and the 4. And then it'll be x plus 1 squared plus y minus, sorry, I skipped it. Oh, Lord. Sorry. X, you do plus, and then half of 2 is 1, and then y, bring down the sign, minus half of 4 is 2 squared equals, what's 24? 23 plus 1 is 24 plus 4 is 28. So it will be negative 1, because it's always opposite, positive 2, and then my r is the square root of 28. Because 28 is not a perfect square, it won't go evenly. I think that's all. Yes, that'll be a new video. Stop.